We often need to reduce the size of a PDF when it's too heavy to share on WhatsApp, attach in an email, or upload online. But if you use the wrong method, the file becomes blurry or hard to read. That's why I'll show you the right way to compress your PDF using this Systweak PDF Editor. It will become much smaller in size, but the text and images will still look clear and sharp. Inside Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu, click on the Tools tab, and then select Compress PDF from the given options. You'll now see various compression levels to choose from. Let's take a quick look at what each one means. High compression method 1 gives you the smallest file size but also the lowest quality. High compression method 2 also gives a small file size but keeps the quality more acceptable for standard viewing. Medium compression is a balance between size and quality and is ideal for most users. Low compression keeps the highest quality with minimal file size reduction. Custom compression lets you fine-tune the settings if you know exactly what you need. Choose the compression level that best suits your purpose. For example, if you are sending the file via email, high compression method 2 is usually a good choice. But if you want to retain sharp text and images, go with low compression or medium. Once you have selected the compression level, click on Compress. In just a few seconds, your file is ready. As you can see, the size has been significantly reduced, and it even shows you the new file size and the percentage of space saved. You can now save it, share it, or upload it anywhere without worrying about large file sizes. So that's how easy it is to compress a PDF without losing quality using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.